Chapter 10, Microbes in Human Welfare, page number 179. Besides microscopic plants and animals, microbes are the major components of biological system on this earth. You have studied about the diversity of living organisms in the class 11. Do you remember which kingdoms among the living organisms contain microorganisms, which are the ones that are only microscopic? Microbes are present everywhere in soil, water, air, inside our bodies, and that of other animals and plants. They are present even at sites where no other life form could possibly exist, such as deep inside the glacier thermal vents where the temperature may be as high as 100 degrees Celsius. Deep in the soil, under the layers of snow several meters thick, and in highly bacteria, fungi, and microscopic animals and plant viruses, viruses and also prions that are potential infectious agents. Some of the microbes are shown in figure 10.1 and 10.2. Microbes like bacteria and many fungi can be grown on nutritive media from colonies that can be seen with the naked eye. Such cultures are useful in studies on microorganisms. Nutrient medium means nutrient medium means has agar-agar gel synthesized from red algae, that is carrageen, rhodophyceae, gelidium, and gracilaria. In chapter 8, you have read that microbes causes a large number of diseases in human beings. They also cause diseases in animals and plants, but this should not make you think that all microbes are harmful. Several microbes are useful to man in diverse ways. Some of the most important contributions of microbes to human welfare are discussed in the chapter. Microbes in household products. You would be surprised to know that we use microbes or products derived from them every day. A common example is the production of curd from milk. Microorganisms such as lactobacillus and others, commercially called lactic acid bacteria, lab grow in milk and convert it to curd. During growth, the lab produce acids called that coagulate and partially digest the milk proteins. A small amount of curd added to the fresh milk, as in a column or starter, contain millions of lab which at suitable temperatures multiply, thus converting milk to curd, which also improves its nutritional quality by increasing vitamin B30, B12 in our stomach. The exact site is the cacum. The lab play a very beneficial role in checking the diseases causing microbes. The dough which is used for making food such as dosa and idli is also fermented by bacteria. The puffed appearance of dough is due to the production of CO2 gas. Can you tell which metabolic pathway taking place resulting in the formation of CO2? Where do you think the bacteria for this fermentation come from? Similarly, the dough which is used for making bread is fermented using baker's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. A number of traditional drinks and foods also made by fermentation by the microbes. Toddy, a traditional drink of some parts of southern India, is made up of fermenting sap from palms. Microbes are also used to ferment fish, soybean, and bamboo shoots to make foods. Cheese is one of the oldest food items in which microbes were used. Different varieties of cheese are known by their characteristic texture, flavor, and taste. It's the specificity coming from the microbes used. For example, the large holes in Swiss cheese are due to the production of large amount of CO2 by the bacterium named Propionibacterium shermani. The Roquefort cheese are ripened by growing a specific fungi on them, which gives them a particular flavor. अगर हमारा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें, और अगर आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो मुझे समझ में आएगा कि वीडियो अच्छे लग रहे हैं और मैं और वीडियो बना के आपको भेज दूंगा. कर्ड हैज़ अ लैक्टोबैसिलस वाइल योगर्ट. कर्ड और योगर्ट में बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस होता है. हैज़ अ वाइल योगर्ट, कर्ड में लैक्टोबैसिले होते हैं और योगर्ट में लैक्टोबैसिला एंड लैक्टोबैसिलस बल्गरिस एंड स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस थर्मोफिलस होता है. डप CO2 के अपीयरेंस की वजह से फॉर्म होता है. लैक्टोबैसिलस लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया इन इडली एंड डोसा केम फ्रॉम ब्लैक ग्राम वेयर दे आर नेचुरल प्रेजेंट. जो इडली और डोसा होते हैं उनमें जो ब्लैक ग्राम होते हैं उनमें से लैब आते हैं. स्विस चीज प्रोपेनोबैक्टीरियम शर्मानी से बनाया जाता है.